Is it the right time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? Let's take a closer look at QQQ in this video. We previously shared an overview on our website on Wednesday, January 17, 2024, and now we're here with a more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On January 5, 2024, our system identified QQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 1.26. Now let's analyze how the stock performed during this period. During this time, the stock showed a gain of 2.64%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.33% since it was flagged as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase in value. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 16.98% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 14.68% to 21.98%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 36.64% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 23.58% to 40.03%. This would result in a price range of $503.22 to $570.23 after 12 months. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF brings a headline: QQQ ETF price down 0.564% on Wednesday. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, the QQQ ETF price fell by 0.564%, dropping from $409.52 to $407.21. Throughout the trading day, the ETF saw a fluctuation of 1.16%, ranging from a low of $402.92 to a high of $407.59. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing a 1.15% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although volume increased by 10 million shares on the last day, prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, leading to a slight increase in risk over the next few days. A total of 53 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $21.78 billion in transactions. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $412.92, while the lowest price reached $273.89. Currently, the price stands at $5.71 or 1.38% below the 52-week high of $412.92, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. The QQQ ETF has recently shown some significant signals. Let's take a closer look. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal emerged from a pivot top point. Since then, the ETF has experienced a decline of -1.04%. Experts suggest that this downward trend may continue until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD) is currently indicating a sell signal. Furthermore, volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could be seen as an early warning. This implies that the QQQ ETF should be closely monitored in the coming days. However, amidst the negative signals, there are also some positive ones that might influence the short-term development of the ETF. The short-term moving average gives a sell signal, while the long-term average gives a buy signal. This suggests a general buy signal for the ETF, leading to a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $407.83. Conversely, if it falls, the long-term average is expected to provide support around $400.67. It's important to stay alert for potential buy and sell signals. A breakthrough of the short-term average will indicate a buy signal, while a breakdown of the long-term average will signal a sell. Today, we'll discuss some interesting signals that could help you with your trading decisions. First, let's talk about the moving average convergence-divergence signal, which suggests a potential selling opportunity. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal gave a buy indication 19 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a sell signal from 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 10 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 49 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago in this time frame. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 51 days ago. The relationship between short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 38 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. When it comes to support levels for the QQQ ETF, there are two important levels to consider. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $359.97 and $354.60. If the ETF tests these support levels and they are broken, it may fall to the next support level. In this case, that would be $354.60 and $343.66. Fortunately, the QQQ ETF tends to have controlled movements and good liquidity, which means the risk is considered very low. On the last trading day, it had a price range of $4.66 or 1.16% between the high and low. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.15%. Before we delve into the potential advantageous trading levels for QQQ, it's important to review some essential fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical metric compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a pessimistic outlook for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential opportunity for purchasing. Today, we'll dive into the potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for QQQ at $407.77. It's crucial to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if QQQ experiences a downward movement, its first support level is at $359.97. If this level holds, it could serve as a potential entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $393.91, representing a decrease of 3.27%. This particular ETF experiences minimal daily fluctuations, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 13 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, we have identified several negative signals and indicators that could impact its performance in the coming days, and possibly even weeks. However, looking at the bigger picture, we believe that the current price level presents a potential buying opportunity. We anticipate that the price will increase over the course of the next 3 months. Considering the volatility and recent market movements, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking at Thursday, January 18th, we expect the QQQ ETF to open with a decrease of -$1.31, starting its trading at $405.91. Before we dive into today's video, let's address an important disclaimer. Trading comes with risks, and it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is a source of information, but ultimately, you are responsible for your own investment choices. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the current view of the stock. So, feel free to comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for the ETF? If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and hoping you have a wonderful day.